Why Do Birds Build Nests? By Jomike Tejido. Long ago, in thick, old forests, animals walked very carefully. All because of a little Maya who had a big voice. "Do not crush my eggs!" she often yelled, and the animals just tiptoed away. Maya scattered her eggs all around the forest, on the grass, among shrubs, and even along the river. One morning, Deer was running very fast when suddenly, crack! Maya got so furious. "Why did you run and crush my eggs?" "Owl made a loud hoot which frightened my legs, so I ran and crushed your eggs," said Deer. Maya flew to Owl. "Why did you hoot which frightened Deer's legs, who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Snake beat me like a brute, so I made a loud hoot. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo," said Owl. Maya glided to Snake. "Why did you bite like a brute, making Owl hoot, which frightened Deer's legs, who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "Leaf dropped on my tiny top, so I beat like a brute," said Snake. Maya hopped to Leaf. "Why did you drop, hitting Snake's tiny top, letting her bite like a brute, making Owl hoot, which frightened Deer's legs, who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "Wind blew hard, which made me drop," said Leaf. Maya hollered to Wind. "Why did you blow too hard, making Leaf drop, hitting Snake's tiny top, making Owl hoot, which frightened Deer's legs, who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "Father's sun burned too hot. I had to blow hard. Whoosh, whoosh," said Wind. Maya soared to Father Sun's warm, cloudy throne. "Why did you burn too hot? That wind blew hard, making Leaf drop, hitting Snake's tiny top, letting her bite like a brute, making Owl hoot, which frightened Deer's legs, who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "I am very upset," answered Father Sun. "You scatter eggs everywhere that animals cannot play." It grew warmer as he spoke. The trees shed off their leaves. Then Maya had a brilliant idea. The next morning, Father's sun was shining just right. Animals ran freely in the forest, and Maya chirped gleefully in her nest. Tweet, 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 tweet. The end. I am Athena, Nicole, and Alcala from Grade 6 Burgos, your storyteller.